Want to unlock the secret to making $100 a day without ever leaving your couch? In the next few minutes, we're diving into how you can turn your Pinterest account into a cash machine using a foolproof affiliate marketing strategy. Don't miss out. This could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First things first, you want to create a Pinterest business account. A business account is different from a personal one because it gives you access to rich pins, analytics, and the ability to run ads. These features are crucial for anyone looking to turn their Pinterest presence into a revenue stream. So, how do you get started? Head over to Pinterest and click on Sign Up. When prompted, select the option for a business account. Fill in your email, create a password, and provide some basic information about your business. Once that's done, you'll be prompted to customize your profile. Here's where you can make your account shine. Pick a username that aligns with your brand. This is typically the name of your business, but if that's taken, try adding keywords related to your niche. Your username will form part of your profile URL, so make it meaningful and easy to remember. Next, upload a high-quality profile picture, usually your logo. This helps with brand recognition. Now, let's move on to your bio. You have 160 characters to tell people who you are and what you do, so make it count. Use keywords that specify your niche, but make it engaging. Instead of saying, "I sell fitness gear," you might say, "Premium fitness gear to empower your workout journey." All right, you've got your account set up and looking professional. The next step is to verify your website with Pinterest. This boosts your credibility and gives you access to website analytics. To do this, go to Settings, then Claim, and follow the instructions. Usually, you'll need to add a bit of HTML code to your website's head section or upload an HTML file. If you're not tech-savvy, don't worry. There are usually guides available for most website builders. Now that you have a verified business account, it's time to start creating boards and pins that are designed to engage your audience. Start by organizing your boards around your main topics or product categories. For instance, if you are in the fitness niche, you could have boards like home workouts, healthy recipes, and fitness tips. As you create pins, think about what will catch someone's eye. High-quality images and compelling headlines are key. Use keywords in your pin descriptions to make them easily discoverable. Remember, Pinterest is a visual search engine. The more visually appealing and relevant your content is, the more people will engage with it. So, what are you going to pin first? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Your profile photo is the first thing people see, so make sure it's clear and professional. This image represents you and your brand, so choose something that reflects your style and niche. If you're a fitness coach, a photo of you in workout gear could be perfect. Next up, your username and handle. Ideally, these should be the same across all your social media platforms for consistency. Use a name that's easy to remember and relevant to your brand. If your personal name is your brand, then use that. If you're focused on a niche, incorporate keywords like fitness, style, or DIY. Moving on to your bio. You have 160 characters to make a strong impression. This is your chance to tell people who you are and what you do. Use keywords that highlight your niche and make sure it's engaging. For example, instead of saying, "I sell fitness gear," you could say, "Premium fitness gear to empower your workout journey." Your bio should not only describe what you do, but also convey why someone should follow you. What unique value do you offer? Maybe you provide quick fitness tips or share easy-to-make healthy recipes. Be clear and concise about the value you bring. Now, it's time to set up your website link. This is crucial for driving traffic from your social media to your main platform, whether it's a blog, a shop, or a portfolio. Make sure the link is current and direct. Take them straight to what you're promoting. Consistency is key in establishing a recognizable brand. How does your profile and bio look? Are they aligned with your overall brand message? Are you attracting the right audience? Think about these questions as you refine your profile.